Welcome back. Mark Fidget here for notapennydown.com. Change your question, change your down payment. Now you may wonder, what do you mean by that? Let me tell you a story about a client we just did a mortgage for. Now they had originally gone to their bank and they had said to the bank representative, we want to purchase an investment property in Victoria. And the bank manager said, no problem, we can help you with that. You're going to need 20% down payment because, as you know, the down payment requirements on investment properties has changed. So of course my client says, well listen, I only have 10% down. And the bank manager says, sorry, we can only do it with 20%. Come back when you've got 20%. So anyway, the client leaves and was talking to a friend of mine that I had done a mortgage for, and basically my friend told him, listen, you have to call Mark. So he calls me, but he pretty much sets up the conversation. He calls me up and he says, hi, my name is Jay. I was referred to by a friend of yours, Kevin, and he says, you probably can't help me, but here's my situation. Went to the bank, went to buy an investment property in Victoria, told me I needed 20% down, don't have it, can't do it. So I asked him, I said, well listen, tell me a little bit about the property that you're going to buy in Victoria. What are you doing with it? He says, well, I want to buy an investment property. And I said, oh yeah, why? And he says, well, my daughter is just starting at university there, and it's a 4-year program, so we thought we'd buy her a place that she can stay in, and it would be an investment. And I said, well, you know what? You may be surprised to know that that investment property that you want to buy in Victoria, you can buy with 10% down. And he said, well, I don't understand. My bank said I need 20% down. And I said, listen, trust me when I say you can do it with 10% down. Now let me explain. An investment property, correct. What the bank said is, if you're going to buy an investment property, the rules have definitely changed and they've increased the down payment requirements to 20%. But they do have a specific program where it lets you buy another home for one of your family members, your daughter, your son. And this is exactly what this client was doing, purchasing an apartment in Victoria so his kid could go to university for 4 years. Now, based on that scenario, you can purchase it with less than 20% down. So my point is, don't always accept no as being no. I can't tell you that the bank that you're dealing with is giving you the right answer. All I'm going to say is, for the right advice at the right time, 604-273-2002, online, www.notapennydown.com. As usual, make it a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.
Money, 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 money.